Hi guys, welcome back for another removal video. In this video I'll remove this door panel out of this X3 from 2019. This door panel have this cover here underneath. There are two Torx T20 and you'll have another Torx on the bottom T20. You need to remove this trim. In order to remove this trim, take a plastic removal tool. Start from this side because here the trim goes underneath. After you remove all the screws, take a plastic removal tool, slide it under the door panel, put your fingers under and pull. Slide the door panel up. You have this cable to disconnect and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables. To remove the swiper, for the front one you'll have 2 screws on the bottom instead of 1, and also you need to remove the tweeter from above. And that's it guys, this is how you remove your back door panel on your X3. Thank you for watching and see you next time.